Tumefika summit. Acha niwaoneshe hiyo. Ndio hiyo sasa. Tumefika summit. RHINO Hill.
Now 8. 4 hours you should be at the summit. Sindio? So if you get there before that time, well and good. But if you find yourself at table at 1, there are high chances, if you insist to proceed to RHINO, it's gonna be a challenge for most of us. So let's look at your cut and your time. But I can tell most of you will make it. Not all of us will make it.
Yes. Hi, good morning guys. Good morning. Hope you're all doing well. Welcome to this time's adventure, and this time this is a hike at Aberdare ranges. There it is. So we shall be hiking RHINO Hills. It's actually around 3,800 meters above sea level. But this one is also going to be like a traverse. So we are going to hike Table Mountain, RHINO Hill, then 7 points. So this is not a beginner hike. This is completely not a beginner hike. This is a very, very difficult hike, and we hope that we shall be able to finalize on the hike. Right now it's at 8 a.m. We've just started our hike, and we believe that we shall be able to conquer this mountain. So guys, come along with us as we hike RHINO Hill, the newest trail in the Aberdare ranges. So this is actually the entrance to the Aberdare ranges now. Going this side is 7 ponds. We shall be coming back with that side. Going this side is Table Mountain. That is where Mount Kipipiri is. The vlog is live on my YouTube channel. You can check it out. It's just opposite the main Aberdare ranges. The hard part has begun. That's how steep it is. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Table Mountain is no joke, guys, no joke. And we've just started. Another thing you have to take note about Table Mountain, it's very, very rocky. You can see the rocks, and that's where we are heading. Finally, we've reached the moorland section. There is the summit, Table Mountain. Yep. So guys, after enjoying photos at the summit and enjoying the summit and the beautiful views, it's time to go now to RHINO Hill by Table Mountain. So for RHINO Hill we are going that side. From what I've heard, it's not very far and it's not very steep. So anytime from now we should be there. So let's head to RHINO Hill. As we proceed, there is the glimpse of where we are going, RHINO Hill. So we are still proceeding, but we are almost. Tumefika summit. Acha niwaoneshe hiyo. Ndio hiyo sasa. Tumefika summit. RHINO Hill. 3,890 meters above sea level.
Big in Aberdare.
Exactly, with Cushy Adventures.
Awesome experience.
Yeah. How are you feeling your hike? Exactly.
Like getting lost.
Exactly.
Getting to 7 points. I can see.
Oh God.
I was just exploring.
Yeah. Sasa tuchukue videos and photos na to enjoy summit. Ndio hizo views.
Congratulations, at last you made it, eh? Yeah. Yeah, but the views are worth it, right? Yeah. Good. 100%. It's always worth it. Look at them, look at the crowd.
The views are so beautiful. So now just leaving the summit, heading to 7 Ponds. So for us it's like we'll have done 4 summits because we missed the summit, we missed the turn near RHINO Hill to get 7 Ponds. Now we had to come from 7 Ponds to RHINO Hill. So now we are going back to 7 Ponds again. So see you at 7 Ponds, guys. So guys, our third and final summit, 7 Ponds. There they are. So those are 5. The 6th one ni hile. And then the 7th one nimeiona somewhere huko. Oh, ndio hii 7. There. Yeah, 7 of them. They are called 7 Ponds. 7 Ponds. That's our final summit. And now we are done. We need to go downhill. Hiking done. 3 summits, 1 day. 7 Ponds haina kibao. So you just come and watch the ponds, but they have very clean water. Twende chini, we are so exhausted. Hi guys. So now it's the end of our adventure. We've arrived back to the bus. There are still others coming down, but the adventure generally it was good. The energy among the team members was amazing because a lot of the team members were able to summit. So 1, hiking gears are very important, ensure you have them, but right now it's not raining a lot, you can see. So today we didn't use our rain gear. but most of the time just ensure you learn the weather. This is actually the best time to come and hike here. So our main hike was RHINO Hill, but for you to get to RHINO Hill you have to go either through Seven Ponds or Table Mountain. So for us, we went Table Mountain, then RHINO Hill, but we got lost. We went to Seven Ponds, then had to come back and go to RHINO Hill, which was so tiring, then come back again and go to Seven Ponds. So it's like we summited 4 times, but we were just a small group of people and we really enjoyed. We can't complain, it was amazing. So this hike, please, I urge you guys to come, but just know this is a difficult hike. Ensure you prepare yourself very, very, very well. Thank you so much for your support, guys. By the way, it gave me so much encouragement and motivation today. That was a difficult hike. I almost gave up going to RHINO Hill, but I knew I wanted to make a video for my people, and thank you so much. I appreciate. Please like, share and subscribe and comment and share with everyone, guys. Thank you so much, and may I see you in the next video. Bye bye.